Second stage is related to recognizing, understanding as well as recognizing. So when you are at this stage of teaching vocabulary, you can bring different activities into the classroom so that जो students हैं वो easily किसी भी word को जो कि आपने उनको सिखाया है they can easily recognize and understand. इंट्रोड्यूस करते हुए ऑब्वियसली आपने उनको नाउन्स इंट्रोड्यूस किए थे, आपने एडजेक्टिव्स किए थे, आपने एब्स्ट्रैक्ट किए थे, एंड नाउ व्हेन यू हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड दीज वर्ड्स टू यू दे शुड बी एबल टू रिकग्नाइज, दे शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो उसमें आपके पास कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं. बिंगो जो है दैट इज़ ऑलवेज यूज्ड एज ए पॉपुलर word activity, language activity in classrooms, and there are different purposes for using this bingo game. And you know different square type situations and illustrations hoti hain, words are there and you can use them. Now you just look at this bingo. Isme there are different pictures. You have introduced those words to them. तो उसमें आपके वो बच्चे क्या करेंगे, you will look at the picture and they will be telling you the word. You can use this one for this purpose that you just look at the picture and tell me which word is this. अब now you know better कि at किस level पे वो हैं. आप सिर्फ उनसे word कहलवाना चाह रहे हैं, they will simply let you know which one is the picture, or they will be writing it, they will be telling you the spellings. ये आपको पता है कि वो कितनी उस पे ऊपर आपने काम किया हुआ है. So that is how you can use this bingo. Then matching. Matching is also you see an effective tool for recognizing something, for understanding something. So आप उस matching को किस तरह से use करते हैं. You can match the columns, you can match the list, you can match and fill in the blanks. So इस matching के साथ भी you can give them the understanding, you can give them the ability to recognize that word. Now you just look at this picture. इसमें आपको नजर आ रहा है कि there are 6 pictures and they are in pair. हर पेयर एक मैचिंग पेयर है. एक पिक्चर इसमें है, एक पिक्चर इस तरफ है. Now you have to match this picture and you have to fill in the blank. For instance, there is aeroplane. So what could be the related idea to aeroplane? Pencil or some, you see some this toilet or some book. What can be there? So the most appropriate idea, the most appropriate matching idea is of clouds. So automatically when they will be matching, they will be writing one thing, they will be writing the matching idea. So क्या आप कहें ये matching जो है उनको recognition दे रही है ना, understanding दे रही है. You are giving, not only introducing them the word of aeroplane, but you are giving and connecting to the related idea that is of clouds. Then there is the activity related to fill in the blanks, but with options. Remember, ये आपकी थोड़ी सी चूंकि lower stage है, higher stages पे you can tell them to fill in the blanks without the options also. But with options, you just give them the hints and you help them. So इसमें आपकी help भी नजर आ रही है in the form of options. So they can fill in the blanks by picking up certain options. You can use any text, you can use some story, you can use some letter, you can choose even some song. And with the help of those texts and with the help of those options, they can fill in certain blanks. इसमें आपको देखिए pictures नजर आ रही है, blanks are there and pictures are there. And with the help of these pictures, जो कि hints हैं, options हैं, they will be filling these blanks. अब इसमें एक और चीज़ आप नोट करें कि how they are gradually moving from the simple stages of vocabulary learning to the higher stages of vocabulary learning. They are moving from receptive vocabulary knowledge to productive vocabulary knowledge. पीछे जब आप इंट्रोड्यूस उनको कर रहे थे तो वो क्या थे, ओनली दे आर एट द रिसेप्टिव लेवल ऑफ वोकेबलरी नॉलेज, बट नाउ दे आर ग्रेजुअली मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द प्रोडक्टिव लेवल. अब बेशक उन्होंने कॉलम मैच किए हैं, बेशक उन्होंने बिंगोस में से वर्ड्स उठाए हैं, वट एवर दे हैव डन, दो द ऑप्शंस आर देयर, दो द हिंट्स आर देयर, योर हेल्प इज देयर, आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग इट, बट ऑब्वियसली उन्होंने क्या किया है, वो प्रोडक्टिव स्टेज के ऊपर है. ठीक है जी. So this is how they are moving gradually from the receptive to the productive ones.